times 6 YOLO Park. Thank you again for sending this. Super cool. Yan, here's the back of the package. Same lang to, parang mga pre-made model kit, tapos pre-made parts, tapos i-assemble lang natin sila. Very basic na assembly lang, di na kailangan ng mga, I think di na kailangan ng mga cutters or hobby knife. Ito naman si Mega Minion Team, yung nauna si Gus. Okay, tapos yung pangatlo si Jerry. Yan si Jerry. Kasi ito favorite ko si Jerry. Para siyang si The Thing. And si Mega Minion Dave. And also we have the Mega Minion Mel. So magkakaroon tayo ng unboxing review and customization videos nito. Again, thank you very much YOLO Park for sending these super cool model kits. So marami pa tayong mga projects na gagawin soon, kaya standby lang kayo sa ating YouTube channel mga momsir. Thank you very much for watching. See you sa next video. Bye bye.